Well, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to an amazing episode by yours truly, Scott Tyler. Today we're doing a Galaxy S21 review video 9 months later. I'm not going to waste your time, so I'm just going to hop right into it. But if you guys enjoy this sort of content, these quick reviews, and Samsung products, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that good stuff. Support the channel, and check out my podcast at Unwrapping Success. I'll be showing it a little later on screen here, but Galaxy S21. I thought the best way to do this review, instead of me just listing off a gazillion specs like every tech reviewer does, let me come in here and just give you a couple pros and a couple cons and talk about the device. Also, first of all, one of the things before I get into pros and cons, just like how nice of a device this looks. You'll probably see a little later on there's some dust and other debris that gets built up. I guess that's a con in a way, but not really. So just keep that in mind, but that happens with literally every smartphone as it ages. But yeah, a couple pros, 120 hertz screen. You'll see an example coming up of just flicking back and forth between apps. Super smooth, makes the whole phone feel super speedy. And going off of that, the overall speed of the phone is still very fast, even 9 months later with that Snapdragon 888, 888. No lag, no nothing. I haven't done too much gaming on here, but watching high-res videos, watching content, opening apps, closing apps, RAM management is good. Everything is super, super speedy. Cameras on here, you'll see a little demo coming up with the different camera systems, the triple camera, wide, normal wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. Very versatile camera set, nice saturated, contrasty, punchy photos. Video is also really good on the rear. One downside, I'd say, in terms of cons is the front-facing camera. It still shoots like 1080p and I think 4K video. However, I've only mainly used it on 1080p, and it's been a little grainy at times. It struggles a little when the lighting's not that great, but I'm sure if you bump that up to 4K, you can probably solve that issue in most cases. I mean, 1080p is good and it should look sharp, but I do notice some graininess here and there in bad lighting situations. Just keep that in mind. But selfie photos, since they do have that good image processing, usually kind of smooth out that graininess in post-processing. And I also do like how you can have like a crop in and out with the front-facing camera, and it's good for like video conferencing, and it gets the job done since we are in a pandemic and everyone's using like video calls now. Battery life is decent. That's a con though on my list. It's not as great as when I first got the device. It used to be able to get through the whole day and I couldn't kill it. Now the battery is like, I'd say average, so I wouldn't even really call that a con. It's just downgraded a little. And then last but not least, 1440p display. It's only 1080p. I can't watch my videos in 1440p on YouTube, which is kind of annoying because I could do that on my previous devices. But as I said, those cons are very minor and they're not like a really big deal. They're kind of just like slight downgrades compared to when I first got the device. But if you guys enjoyed this quick little short review, it's a great looking phone. It's a great device, even this late in 2021. Go pick it up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode of the channel. Peace out, guys.